Chairperson, sir, I rise to speak on the Judges Amendment Bill. I speak with some experience. I'm a senior advocate of the Supreme Court. The problems of the judiciary are not going to be solved by passing through ordinance an increase of 4 more judges in the Supreme Court. The problems are this, sir. The problems are the central government will not appoint women to the judiciary. They will not appoint lower caste to the judiciary. They will not appoint religious minorities to the judiciary. They will not appoint gay people to the judiciary. You only appoint judges who you think have your ideology.
No, this will not go on record.
That is
No. Please speak.
Sir, there are 30% vacancies in all the high courts. 30% vacancies in all the high courts. Women are 14%. Women are 14% of all high court judges. 14%. The reality is that between scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, women, there are under 20% of the judiciary. Between 2018 to 2026, this government appointed 3% scheduled caste judges. They appointed 2% ST judges. They appointed 12% OBC judges. These are the issues. So today, in my hometown, in the capital of India, where the constitution was made, you want to pass 4 judges in this capital where students were beaten outside. The Home Minister won't come and talk about pensions. This is not a parliament.
This will not go on the record. No. You have to speak on the bill. That will go on the record. You please speak on the bill. Speak on the bill.
It is not about 4 more judges. You solve issues when you work with the constitution. Bring the Home Minister to the Sadan. Bring the Home Minister.